What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the glitching.ai platform that allows you to automate dropshipping with the power of AI. So here you need to go to glitching.ai and you will be greeted with their homepage right here. Here you can launch the app or sign in or create an account. As you can see here, I'm signed in already. Creating the account is pretty easy, simple and straightforward. And here you can find winning products using the power of AI, which will help you get the product that is best for your business and guaranteed to make profit. And here you can automate digital drop shipping. You can generate books to sale. You can create highly converting landing pages. You can generate TikToks in one click. So AI text to images, which is pretty cool. And you can launch the app to do drop shipping easily. Now, here you can learn more about the platform as they provide video tutorials for you to learn all the steps you need. You can generate product pages in seconds on Shopify here, AI product pages. You can join their private Discord community as well as see here their plans. So they have two plans. They have the build monthly plan or the build annually plan. So a monthly and an annual plan. The monthly plan is for $19.99 a month. Or if you choose to pay yearly, it'll be $99.99 per year. And here some reviews, some testimonials about the platform, as well as some questions. Now, let's go ahead and launch the app here. And here you have the dashboard. Now, here you have some courses. You can go to the dropshipping courses to learn more about the platform and how to use it. You can join their Discord. You can get your Shopify store for only $1. And here you have the glitching features. So you have the glitch mode here, which allows you to find products, create your store, create your ads, and learn dropshipping with one product. And here you have the AI product finder, which allows you to discover a world of unsaturated products using AI-driven discovery methods. You have the product pages creation on Shopify. You have the AI to generate ads here that convert traffic to your buyers. And you have your digital products, or you can create an entire ebook or digital product using AI. So let's, for example, test the AI product finder. Click on Find Products. Okay, and you need to start the tutorial first. Click here on Find Products, so they guide you through the process. And here, of course, you need to choose a plan first. And if you choose a plan, let's say choose the monthly, you'll be redirected to a page here where you need to add or pay here a payment method. And you'll be redirected to the payment page here, as you will need to provide your payment information in order to subscribe. So click on Continue. And now you need to link PayPal to pay with PayPal or enter your credit card information to subscribe. So let's go back here and let's choose another option, which is the product pages. So here, create product pages on Shopify. Start tutorial. Import new
Our
product.
AI will craft a high converting product page for your product. Simply save a product from glitching or import one from Amazon and AliExpress.
Okay, so I need to click
When
here
your
on
product is done importing, or if you already have a saved product, simply click on the product to generate your product page.
And here they give me like a sample product to generate the product page from. Click on it. And again, I'll be redirected to the payment page. Now let's go back once again to my main dashboard. And let's select another option, which is the glitch mode. Start glitching. Start tutorial.
Glitch mode is an AI that gives...
Start glitching, and again, redirected to the main payment page. Let's go back to the main dashboard. And let's explore the use AI to generate ads. So the ads generated AI, create ad. Start tutorial.
Our
again.
AI will create viral video scripts when your product is done importing.
Next.
Or if you already have a saved product. Simply click on the product to generate your ads template.
And if I click on the product to generate the ad, again, I'll be redirected to the payment page. So you need to subscribe to a plan in order to pretty much use any of the features. I'm just showing you what you can expect. And if I click here on the digital products, okay, click to enter, again, redirected to the payment page. Now, here in the dashboard, I have my main dashboard as I showed you before. Let's view the integrations, the platforms that you can integrate with. So you can integrate basically with a Shopify store or connect your AutoDS for dropshipping fulfillment. So I need to connect my Shopify store first in order to connect AutoDS. So click on Shopify. I need to add my store URL here and my app token, and then connect my Shopify store. And once I connected my Shopify store, I can connect my AutoDS account to fulfill my dropshipping orders. Now let's go back. And here I have your account settings. I can link my Discord. I can activate or deactivate my subscription. Here the subscription is inactive. I can activate it. Or I can connect my Shopify or AutoDS accounts. And here I have the support where I can ask them about anything and or ask them to resolve any issue that I am facing. Now here from the menu on the left, you have the course. So if I click here on course and then click on start tutorial.
Here you can track your progress and continue your current lesson. Here you can access all 10 modules of the full AI dropshipping course. Watching all 10 modules is crucial to get your first sale.
And as it told me here, I need to start watching or learning the 10 modules here that they offer. So welcome to Glitch, product selection, store setup, and others here, all the way to digital products, customer support, fulfillment, Facebook ads, and more. So if I click, for example, on welcome to Glitch, get started, again, I cannot view the tutorials or courses unless I'm subscribed to a plan. Now, if I click here on start course, let's finish the tutorial once again.
Here you can track your progress, and here you can access all 10 modules of the full AI dropshipping course. Watching all 10 modules is crucial to get your first sale.
If I click here on start course, again to the payment page. So here basically you cannot do anything unless you are subscribed. Now let's go back here to the main dashboard. And here I can view the dropshipping course. If I click on it, I'll be redirected to the same page of the course. Now let's go back to the main dashboard once again. And I can only view or watch the video introduction here that gives me an introduction of the platform and how to use it. So I do recommend you watching this video to be introduced to the features of the platform, just as I showed you here, however, in more detail, since they are of course using an open account. So if you want to use the power of AI in order to increase your dropshipping reach, get more products, increase your sales, grow your business, glitching AI is a worthy investment in order to grow your business even more, especially if you are using Shopify as your main e-commerce platform, as well as AutoDS for dropshipping fulfillment. AutoDS, by the way, is a pretty powerful dropshipping agent that integrates seamlessly with Shopify as well. So if you are using Shopify as your main e-commerce platform or your main online store, and you are already familiar with AutoDS, or you are using AutoDS, combining these three tools, Shopify, AutoDS, and glitching, is a sure way to increase your sales and grow your business and help you better explore the world of dropshipping.